Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're creating a bright, bold and beautiful beaded necklace using the most colourful beads ever. So let's get crafting. I've got these lovely beads. As soon as I saw them, I had to have them. Colourful, so vibrant, gives me festival, fun, tutti frutti. So I'm going to make a necklace today, a 16-inch necklace, almost a choker. Now these beads, along with lots of other things, are available on my website, Low Cost Craft Supplies. And there you will find ready-made jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. And I do have a 10% offer off of a £10 spend. So I'm going to use today a magnetic clasp. This little container is ever so handy if you are just starting out to make jewellery and you've got jump rings, you've got wire guardians, clamshells, crimp bead covers, crimp beads and tiny little crimp beads. So I'm using tiger tail and I've cut myself a piece of 20 inches for a 16-inch necklace stroke choker. These are two clamshells, culottes, there's lots of different names for them. And I'm actually using, these are ever so tiny, these are 1.5. These are 1.5 little crimp beads, and I actually use two of these. So let me show you what I do. I take a clamshell, thread up through the middle. I take two crimp beads. They're so tiny. If I was using the actual one of these, an actual large crimp bead, I would use my crimp bead tool. But with these, I'm just using my pliers. So one, put the other one next to it. Two. You pull that up, put that together, and then we put the excess to the side, and I'm just going to snip the excess off. So that's hidden in there. So we take our jump ring, thread that through and attach. Take 1/2 of the clasp, and then it is fiddly because of the magnet. And we close, make sure that needs closing a little bit more. It's not quite close. I couldn't see because of the magnet. There we go, completely closed. So let's thread these beads. I do want to do them in order. So let's have a pink, green, yellow, purple, red, cerise pink. Oh, we have orange as well. I think that's all the colours. Just checking I haven't missed out a colour. So it's quite, if you look at that, you think, oh, it's quite long. Obviously, if you're doing 16-inch, take this into consideration, the actual length. That is what it looks like. That's the closure. Can you hear the rain? Gosh, it's very heavy. I love to listen to the rain. I find it very soothing. So we've got 16 inches and I've taken into account our closures that will be 16 inches. So we take our clamshell stroke culotte. Then I'm going to thread 2 crimp beads. One, where's the other one gone? There. So tiny. Come on, crimp bead, where are you two? There. And this is always fiddly to do on camera, but I take the first crimp bead closest to me, bring it down. If that comes off, it comes off. All right, let's just put the bond first of all. So I've got the 1 crimp bead in between the culotte and squeeze. Take the other one. Right, I'm going to do exactly the same for the other one. Right, let's close those. Put the wire to the side, snip off the excess wire. Take a jump ring. Remember, this is fiddly now. Get off, get off. Do you see how it jumped off? Get off, get off. Oh, good grief. Right, let's try again. Go away. There. There we go. We got there in the end. There is our magnetic clasp. So I do hope you find that useful. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you click on that notification bell. And if you can, leave a comment down below. It just helps the YouTube algorithm see the interaction, and it shares my videos out to more people. So thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone, and happy crafting.